welcome to Aja Akshara Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss motion in a straight line, problems on kinematical equations part 2. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. First one. A body starting from rest moves with constant acceleration. The ratio of distance covered by the body during the 5th second to that covered in 5 seconds is. Here we have to calculate the ratio of distance covered by the body during 5th second and in 5 seconds. Let us go to the solution. Here a body starting from rest, nothing but its initial velocity is equals to 0. U is equals to 0 and distance travelled in nth second, Sn is equals to U plus A into n minus half. So substituting in the place of n5 during the 5th second, S5 is equals to U0 plus A of 5 minus 1 by 2. So this is 0 plus A into 2 5 10, 10 minus 1, 9 by 2. So S5 is equals to 9A by 2. Next, S is equals to UT plus half AT square. Distance travelled in 5 seconds. U nothing but 0, 0 into 5 plus half A into T nothing but 5 whole square. So S is equals to 0 plus 25 A by 2. So that is 25 A by 2. So the ratio of distance travelled by the body during 5th second and 5 seconds is S5 is to S is equals to 9A S5 by S is equals to 9A by 2 by 25A by 2. Here 2 gets cancels, A gets cancelled. So that is we are getting 9 by 25. So therefore S5 is to S is equals to 9 is to 25. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Two cars traveling towards each other on a straight road at velocity 10 meters per second and 12 meters per second respectively. When they are 150 meters apart, both drivers apply their brakes and each car decelerates at 2 meters per second square until it stops. How far apart will they be when they both have come to stop? Let us go to the solution. Let x1 and x2 be the distances travelled by the cars before they stop under deceleration. Let x1 and x2 be the distances travelled by the cars before they stop under deceleration or deacceleration. That is A is equals to minus 2 meters per second square. So from the third equation of motion, V square minus U square is equals to 2AS. v square is equals to u square plus 2as. Substituting v 0 square 0 plus u, they given as 10, 10 square plus 2 into 2 into, first we assume that it is x1. So next 0 is equal to 10 square 100, 2 to the 4, 4x1. So from this 4x1 is equals to 100. x1 is equals to 100 by 4. 4 ones, 4 twos and 4 5s. So 25 meters. Here we are getting x1 is equals to 25 meters. And the other equation is 0 is equals to when u is equals to 12 meters. So 12 square plus 2 into x2. So 0 is equals to 144 plus 4x2. So from this 4x2 is equals to 144. x2 is equals to 144 by 4. So here we are getting 36. 4 ones, 4 threes are 4 six. So total distance is equals to x1 plus x2. x1 plus x2. x1 is equals to 25, x2 is equals to 36. We are getting 61 meters. Distance between the two cars when they stop. Distance between the two cars when they stop. So that is 150 minus 61. So we are getting 89 meters. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. In this question, a scooterist sees a bus 1 kilometer ahead of him moving with a velocity of 10 meters per second. With what speed the scooterist should move so as to overtake the bus in 100 seconds? Here, suppose this distance from t is equals to 0, that is 1000 meters. So here we are calculating x is equals to 10 into 100. Here they given speed, what speed the scooter should move so as to overtake the bus in 100 seconds. So velocity they given as 10 into 100, 1000 meters. So now s is equals to, let us go to the solution. S is equals to u into 100. So s is equals to u 1000 plus x. So these two are equating these two. U into 100 is equals to 1000 plus x. So from this 100 plus x here we are getting 1000. So u into 100 is equals to 1000 plus 1000. So we are getting u is equals to 2000. This 100 here 2000 by 100, 0 gets cancels. So 20 meters per second. So therefore u is equals to 20 meters per second. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. The velocity of a particle at an instant t is 10 meters per second. After 5 seconds, the velocity is 20 meters per second. The velocity 3 seconds earlier was. Let us go to the solution. From the first equation of motion, v is equals to u plus at. Substituting values, 20 is equals to 10 plus a into 5. So 20 is equals to 10 plus 5 into a, 5a. So from this 10 plus 5a is equals to 20. or 5a is equals to 20 minus 10, 10. So a is equals to 10 by 5, 5 ones, 5 twos. So acceleration a is equals to 2 meters per second square. So next from the first equation, v is equals to u plus at. So now we are finding the velocity 3 seconds earlier was. So 10 is equals to u plus 2 into 3. 10 is equals to u plus 2 3 is 6. So u is equals to 10 minus 6. So u is equals to, we are getting 4 meters per second. So therefore u is equals to 4 meters per second. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. A body travels a distance of 20 meters in the 7th second and 24 meters in the 9th second. How much distance shall it travel in the 15th second? Now let us go to the solution. Distance travelled in the nth second is Sn is equals to u plus a into n minus half. So in this in the 7th second distance is 20 meters. So S7 is equals to 20 u plus a into 7 minus 1 by 2. So 20 is equals to u plus a into 2 7 is 14, 14 minus 1 13 by 2. So 20 is equals to, we are getting 2u plus 13a. So by 2, here LCM 2. So 22 is 40. So 2u plus 13a is equals to 40. This is equation number 1. The second equation is next 24 meters in the 9th second. So that is 24 is equals to u plus a into 9 minus 1 by 2. So next 24 is equals to, this is 24. 24 is equals to u plus a into 2 9s 18, 18 minus 1 17 by 2. So we are getting 24 is equals to 2u plus 17a by 2. Now taking cross multiplication, 2u plus 17a is equals to 48. This is equation number 2. So from the first 1 and 2 equations, first equation is 2u plus 13a is equals to 40. The second equation is 2u plus 17a is equals to 48. Subtracting these two equations, we get 2 gets cancels. Here minus 4a is equals to minus 8, minus cancel. A is equals to 8 by 4, that is 4 ones, 4 twos, 2 meters per second square. Substituting value of a in any of the equation, now we are substituting in equation 1. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So 2u plus 13 into 2 is equals to 40. So 2u plus 13 2s are 26 is equals to 40. So we are getting 2u is equals to 14. 40 minus 26. So u is equals to 2 ones 2 sevens, 7 meters per second. Therefore now S15 is equals to u plus a into n minus half. Substituting u and a values, u7 plus a nothing but 2 and n 15 minus 1 by 2. So that is equal to 7 plus 2 15, the 30, 30 minus 1 29. So 29 by 2, 2 gets cancels. S15 is equals to 29 plus 7 36 meters. So therefore S15 is equals to 36 meters. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. A particle moving with uniform acceleration has velocity 6 meters per second at a distance 5 meters from the initial position. After moving another 7 meters, the velocity becomes 8 meters per second. The initial velocity and acceleration of the particle are. Let us go to the solution. Here we are calculating initial velocity and acceleration. So given S is equals to 5 meters. So from third equation of motion, V square minus U square is equals to 2AS. Substituting value 6 square minus U square is equals to 2 into A into 5. 6 square 36 minus U square is equals to 5 2 is 10A. This is consider this as equation number 1. The second equation is V square minus U square is equals to 2AS. Now substituting V value as 8 square minus 6 square is equals to 2 into A into 7. 8 square 64 minus 36 is equals to 14A. So 64 minus 36 28 is equals to 14A. From this we are getting A is equals to 14 ones 14 twos. So 2 meters per second square. Substituting A value in equation 1. Substituting the value of A in equation 1. Then we get equation 1 is 36 minus U square is equals to 10A. So A is equals to 2. So that is 36 minus U square is equals to 10 into 2. 36 minus U square is equals to 10 to 20. So U square is equals to 20 minus 36. Minus U square is equal to minus 16. Minus minus gets cancels. U square is equal to 16. U is equals to root of 16, that is 4. So therefore U is equals to, we are getting 4 meters per second. So finally initial velocity U is equals to 4 meters per second and acceleration A is equals to 2 meters per second square. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. A body traveling with uniform acceleration crosses 2 points A and B with velocities 20 meters per second and 30 meters per second respectively. The speed of the body at the midpoint of A and B is nearest to 2. Let us go to the solution. Velocity at midpoint V1 is equals to velocity at midpoint V1 is equals to square root of U square plus V square by 2. So that is substituting U and V values 20 square plus 30 square by 2. So this is 20 square nothing but 400 and 30 square 900 by 2. So that is equals to root of 1300 by 2. 2 ones 2 650 is so that is root 650. So root 650 is 25.5 meter per second. So therefore velocity at midpoint V1 is equals to 25.5 meters per second. 25.5 meters per second. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. A body starting from rest is accelerated uniformly for 30 seconds. If S1, S2, S3 are distances travelled in first 10 seconds, next 10 seconds and last 10 seconds, then S1 is to, S2 is to, S3 is. Let us go to the solution. From second equation, that is S is equals to ut plus half a t square. Here in this, a body starting from rest. any body starting from rest, then its initial velocity is equals to 0, that is u is equals to 0. So s1 is equals to 0 into t plus half a into 10 square. T is equals to 10, substituting t is equals to 10. So 0 into 10, 0 into 10, 0, 0 plus 10 square 100, 100 half into a into 100, 2 ones 250s. So s1 is equals to, we are getting 0 plus 50a 50a. Next s1 plus s2 is equals to 0 plus half a into 10 plus 10 whole square. So that is equals to 0 plus half a into 10 plus 10 20 whole square. So that is 0 plus half into a into 20 square, nothing but 400. So here 2 ones 2, 200. So that is equals to, we are getting s1 plus s2 as 200a. Next s1 plus, now we are taking this s1 plus s2. Now we are finding s2 value. S2 is equals to 200a minus s1. So that is 200a minus s1, we are getting 50. So 50a, 200 minus 50, 150a. So s2 is equals to, we are getting 150a. So now s1 plus s2 plus s3 is equals to 0 plus half into a into 10 plus 10 plus 10 whole square. So that is 0 plus 1 by 2 into a into 30 whole square. 30 square nothing but 900. 0 plus 900 a by 2. 2 ones 2 450s. So s1 plus s2 plus s3 is equals to 450 a by 2. So from this s3 is equals to 450 a. Here 2 cancelled, so only 450 a minus s1 minus s2. So s3 is equals to, we are getting 450 minus 50a minus 150a. s2 is equals to, we are getting 150a. So s3 is equals to 450 minus 50 minus 150. 150 50 200, 450 minus 200 250a. So s3 is equals to 250a. So finally the ratio of s1 is to s2 is to s3 is equals to 50a is to 150a is to 250a. A cancels, 0 0 0 cancels, 5 ones 5 threes 5 fives. So the ratio of, therefore s1 is to s2 is to s3 is equals to 1 is to 3 is to 5. Okay, s1 is to s2 is to s3 is equals to 1 is to 3 is to 5. Thanks for watching this video.